After the Blessed Mother Mary received the annunciation of Angel Gabriel, she began to sing and to rejoice the God of her salvation. With this, in Luke chapter 1 verse 48, she said, "From now on, all generations will call me blessed." The question here, sino lang na nagtawag sa kanya na blessed are you amongst women? And that generation is from the time when she received the annunciation up to our time. All generation. Tayo lang mga Katoliko na nagsabi, blessed are you amongst women. And we are the fulfillment of that prophecy, not the Protestant, but the Catholic Church. Thank you so much. God bless us all.